Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Porsche Cayenne key fob battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR 2032 battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quite straightforward and should only take you about 5 minutes from start to finish. It's a great way to save a trip to the dealership and keep your key fob working perfectly. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side of your key fob and press it. This will allow you to slide out the mechanical key. Once the key is removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist it to pry open the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Now, carefully use your screwdriver or a fingernail to gently lift out the old CR 2032 battery. Once it's out, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing and press them firmly until they snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, slide the mechanical key back into its slot until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's fully seated. Test your key fob to ensure all buttons are working correctly. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.